Mono means one, poly means A. Parallel. B. Molecule. C. Many. D. Two. Answer is C. Many. Blank is used with paper or cloth to create nail wraps. A. Wrap resin. B. Nail tip adhesive. C. Ethyl acrylic. D. Fiberglass. Answer is A. Wrap resin. The monomer liquid that absorbs the polymer powder is usually based on the blank monomer. A. Amylopectin. B. Ethyl methacrylate. C. Stilbenoid. D. Cyanoacrylate. Answer is B. Ethyl methacrylate. The repositioning of the white free edge on an acrylic French manicure is known as A. Refill. B. Free edge fill. C. Backfill. D. Rebalancing. Answer is C. Backfill. Acrylic nail powder is available in A. White. B. All of the choices listed. C. Clear. D. Pink. Answer is B. All of the choices listed. Traditional UV gels rely on an acrylate known as A. Ethyl acrylate. B. Urethane methacrylate. C. Urethane acrylate. D. Resin acrylate. Answer is C. Urethane acrylate. What part of the nail are overlays bonded to? A. The side walls. B. The lunula. C. The front of the nail plate. D. The free edge. Answer C. The front of the nail plate. Fabric nail wraps are maintained after blank with a glue fill. A. 3 weeks. B. 2 weeks. C. 4 weeks. D. 1 week. Answer is B. 2 weeks. Catalysts. A. Speed up chemical reactions. B. Break down molecules. C. Slow down chemical reactions. D. Paralyze chemical reactions. Answer is A. Speed up chemical reactions. Using blank is suitable to help speed up a UV gel removal procedure. A. A metal nail file before soaking the nail in alcohol. B. A medium coarse abrasive before soaking the nail in acetone or product remover. C. An wooden pusher stick occasionally while soaking the nail in product remover. D. A fine buffer block before soaking the nail in acetone or product remover. Answer is B. A medium coarse abrasive before soaking the nail in acetone or product remover. When removing a nail tip, you should first A. Trim the nail tip. B. Slide off the nail tip. C. Soak tips and nails in remover. D. Buff the nail. Answer is C. Soak tips and nails in remover. Initiators begin the blank that creates the long polymer chains. A. Chain reaction. B. Oxidation. C. Monomer alchemy. D. Molecule balancing. Answer is A. Chain reaction. Nail forms are used. A. To hold the nail tip in place. B. Under the free edge to extend nail enhancements beyond the fingertip. C. As a mold to create plastic nail tips. D. Under the finger to hold the client's finger perfectly still during nail tip application. Answer is B. Under the free edge to extend nail enhancements beyond the fingertip. Which of the following is made from cyanoacrylate monomer? A. Nail tip adhesives. B. Nail tips. C. Wrap activator. D. Nail dehydrator. Answer is A. Nail tip adhesives. On which of the following can product dusts and residues build up on? A. Containers. B. Tabletops. C. Brush handles. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is D. All of the choices listed. Material used for fabric nails may include A. Silk, fiberglass, or linen. B. Plastic. C. Paper. D. Wool or cotton. Answer is A. Silk, fiberglass, or linen. If the primed area of the nail is touched with a wet brush before the acrylic application. A. It will dissolve the tip. B. It could make it harden too fast. C. It might result in a natural nail disorder. D. It will cause the acrylic to lift. Answer is D. It will cause the acrylic to lift. The term oligo means A. Many. B. Few. C. One. D. Millions. Answer is B. Few. UV light can be emitted and cause UV gel products to harden in the container. A. True color ceiling or table lamps. B. Sunlight. C. Tanning lamps. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is D. All of the choices listed. Which of the following is used to shape or smooth the nail as well as assist in the removal of surface shine? A. Monomers. B. Acetone. C. An abrasive board. D. Fiberglass. Answer is C. An abrasive board.